Every modern conflict has shown one thing clearly. Drones are no longer just support tools. They are becoming some of the most decisive weapons on the battlefield. Iran has developed a wide range of drones, from long-range strike UAVs to low-cost kamikaze systems used in large numbers. In this video, we rank Iran's most important drones. At number 8, Ababil 3. The Ababil 3 is mainly used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. With a range of around 250 kilometers, it provides real-time intelligence to ground forces. While not heavily armed, its role in battlefield awareness makes it an important support asset. At number 7, Fotros. The Fotros is a long-endurance drone designed for both reconnaissance and strike missions. It can remain airborne for extended periods and cover distances of up to around 2,000 kilometers, making it well-suited for deep surveillance operations. At number 6, Mohajer 6. The Mohajer 6 is a versatile drone used for both reconnaissance and strike missions. It can carry guided munitions and stay airborne for hours, making it effective against armored vehicles and tactical targets. It has been used in multiple conflict zones. At number 5, Shahed-129. The Shahed-129 is one of Iran's early long-endurance combat drones, with around 24 hours of endurance. It can perform extended surveillance missions and launch precision-guided weapons. It is often compared to the MQ-1 Predator. At number 4, Shahed-136. The Shahed-136 is one of the most well-known kamikaze drones. It has a long range, estimated at up to 2,500 kilometers, and carries an explosive payload. These drones are often used in swarms to overwhelm air defenses and strike infrastructure. At number 3, Kaman-22. The Kaman-22 is a long-range multi-role drone capable of carrying up to 300 kilograms of weapons. With a range exceeding 3,000 kilometers, an endurance of more than a day, it can conduct surveillance, electronic warfare, and strike missions. At number 2, Mohajer 10. The Mohajer 10 represents a new generation of Iranian drones. It has a range of about 2,000 kilometers, 24-hour endurance, and can carry up to 300 kilograms of payload, including bombs and missiles. It is designed for long-range strike and advanced reconnaissance missions. At number 1, Shahed-149 Gaza. Shahed-149 Gaza is one of Iran's largest and most advanced drones. It can fly for up to 35 hours, carry up to 500 kilograms of weapons, and strike targets at long distances. Comparable to the MQ-9 Reaper, it represents the peak of Iran's drone capabilities. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.